ISPC stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video. iSpecimen stock is just 25% up. First thing that I'm looking at is just a higher time frame chart and just observing that this is not looking that good how it looks on paper. I have done 36,000 videos and I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And my technical analysis on this, man, is just bearish like before. You can see I have a, like, this was supposed to be like an arrow pointing towards the downside, and yeah, most definitely that delivered. Now what can I say other than I'm just still looking to take things further lower? I mean, yeah, that's exactly it. Even though we went up, you know, and this is just a supply zone tap, a fake out, fake pump. I'm not gonna short sell still unless I see a clean shift, and some, like, most of the times you don't, and that's just the harsh truth. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.